distinctive feature over their beaks. It's called a cuff. It can be just a small ridge or it can be big and brightly colored. Right, Sabrina?
Yes, that's right. Okay, so what else?
What else? What else? Their feet. Hornbills have 3 toes in front and broad soles. And toucans, they have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back. But both are great hoppers. It gives them the strength and... Oops! Hey, come on. Sometimes we walk and we fall, right? Animals also. Okay, both are great hoppers. It gives them strength and stability to jump up and down tree branches. What else?
Wait, let's get Elmo to hop up first.
Okay,
You wanna hop up?
If Elmo don't hop, you hop lah. You cannot hop.
I can't do that. Okay, oh yeah, Sharon, I remember the other difference. They are